It's Cookie Monster coming at you. Today I'm playing Dental Dash with my pal, Wally Plays.
Hey guys, what's up?
And we're off.
These teeth move really fast.
If you get hit, you get bit.
Okay, moving out of traffic.
Ooh, floss tightrope. Nice.
Hey, I have faulty dental floss.
Dude, what you have is lame flossing technique. I, on the other hand, have flawless technique and am now crossing the river on my charter college toothbrush. The dentist's office is in my sights.
I'm catching up. Almost there. Almost there.
And you are out of time, my friend.
No!
Pro tip. If you want to win the Dental Dash and work in a dentist's office, you gotta be on your game. And it doesn't hurt to get some help from charter college.
Rematch! Rematch!
This girl's ready for the next level. Dude, you're going back to school.